Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the EKSAtelecom H1 Plus. It is an AI-powered DNC wireless headset built for people to have ease of communication with one ear while the other remains open. For you to work and communicate on the go while being aware of your surroundings. The packaging looks great and professional. Let's check out what is inside the product packaging. Inside the box, you will find one EKSA carrying pouch, along with one EKSA H1 Plus headset, which is packed nicely in the product packaging. A spare ear cover is provided, along with a user guide to guide users on the product operation. A USB receiver is provided along with a USB charging cable to recharge up the headset. On first impressions, the H1 Plus headset looks good. It comes in a black colored version and has a sturdy design to it. There is an adjustable band, which means you can adjust the headband to fit your head just nicely to a comfortable level you desire. The ear cups are also padded with cushion, so they feel really soft and comfortable when worn. It has a rotatable headset design which swivels around with ease to fit the user's ears, good for wearing on for long hours. Now let's turn it on. To turn it on, simply press and hold to power it on button. The light will flash signifying it is ready to pair with your device. It works via Bluetooth, so you can enter your Bluetooth setting page on your device. Volume up or down key to control the volume of the headset, along with a mic mute and unmute button to control the mic. The mic receiver is very useful on the headset. It provides good crystal clear sound transmission to the person on the other end. Great for work. Use the carry-on bag provided to store it in a safe environment. The bag looks great. Overall, I find the EKSAtelecom headset a good option for users to communicate on the go with a stable wireless Bluetooth connection or via the USB receiver on a computer. It fits on the user's head comfortably with the ergonomic headset design. Communication with the EKSAtelecom H1 Plus is a breeze. If you want to learn more about it, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.